Hi, this is Dan from Pool and Spa. Today we're going to talk about how to install in-ground pool ladders. Normally this is not a difficult job. What you have to do in order to pick the right ladder for you is you're going to have to measure two measurements between where these two ladder cups are, which in this case is 20 inches, and the second one is how far away from the pool they are, which in this case is 12 inches. Every ladder or rail has basically this piece here, which is called an escutcheon, and what this is uncovering is actually the very top of this. This is the piece that is put into the cement. And when you go to remove your ladder, what you're going to find is this bolt right here. And this bolt, when you loosen it, releases this ladder wedge. So what you would do if you were going to change these both is you would remove this, you'd come over here, you'd remove the other one, you'd pull this out, and you could replace it with your new ladder. If you don't have a ladder and you want to install one, you can either buy these ladder cups individually. You'll have to, of course, break up the cement or deck work, whatever you have around. They also have these that are already mounted on a bar. So you can buy these that come like that, already mounted on a bar that's either 20, 24, or 18 inches long. You would basically cement them in ground level, pick your ladder, and then take your ladder and put it right back into these cups. Once again, this is Dan from Pool and Spa, and this was a short how-to on how to install in-ground pool ladders.